Hello, How To Bob here, and I just wanted to share a trick with you that I use when I'm finishing drywall or patchwork. Take a brand new bucket of mud here. Let's open it up, and you can see that on the top it's real thick and pasty. I'll just take a bucket of water, put a few handfuls of water in here. It's not an exact mix at any given time. Sometimes I want it thinner, sometimes I want it thicker, and then I'll take my mixer here and I'll work it down into the mud, work the water down in, and after a while of mixing, it gets a little cottage cheese consistency like this. So I'll just keep mixing and digging it up from the bottom. A little while later, I'll work it up from the bottom, and you'll see it's getting a little creamier looking, real smooth and creamy looking. So I just keep working all the chunks out, and real soon, after mixing it with the drill, you can see how creamy and smooth that it gets. This will just help it flow off the knife better, give it a real nice finish when you apply it to the drywall. Works good on seams, around corners, and it just gives it a real nice smooth finish. You can see how creamy smooth that is. A lot better, less air bubbles, makes it a whole lot easier to apply. Goes a little bit further as far as when you put it on the knife and wipe it down the wall. So let's try a piece here. I'm just going to run this down there, and you can see through. It's real thin, goes on real nice and smooth, doesn't apply real thick like it would if I just put it on straight out of the bucket. So it's just a little trick that I do. Let's take a look at another brand new bucket here, and we'll open this one up, and I'll show you what it looks like when I just smear it on right out of the bucket. And it really is just smearing it right on. See how thick it is? It goes on. So let me just put a little bit of this on the wall here. Got my mud on my large knife, and you see how thick and chunky it is. Now it might be good for filling in holes or larger areas, but if you want a real smooth finish, add a little water to it and mix it thoroughly. Gives it a real nice finish. So I just wanted to share this trick with you here. You can see how thick it is now. Put the knife in there, and it's pretty thick. So I just wanted to share this little tip or trick with you, show you how to spread the drywall mud a little bit easier. I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.